Genoa Township Police Department is asking for the public's help in the investigation into the deaths of a family of 4. Richard and Jennifer Ryder and their children, Richard and Grace, were found dead in their home last week. NBC4's Dan Perlman is live with what police are hoping to find out from the public.
Well, police here tell me this is not to suggest anything suspicious happened with the Ryder family. Instead, the chief here tells me he really just wants to make sure no stone is left unturned in this investigation. It was last Thursday on Lewis Center Road. Gabe and Jennifer Ryder, along with their 2 children and 3 dogs, were found dead inside their Galena home. Firefighters quickly telling us inside that home they found extremely high levels of carbon monoxide. In the days since then, investigators have been working on a timeline. The 911 call Thursday,
the last time I saw my brother or talked to him was Monday,
helped in that process.
My sister-in-law was supposed to be with me today at 12:30 for a hair appointment.
Today, however, Genoa Township Police posted this to Facebook, a request asking anyone who saw the family last week to contact them. The chief again telling me this is not to suggest anything.
It's a normal part of any investigative process. You just want to build a timeline of events. At the end of this process, we want to be able to give the family answers to all the questions they may have.
The family, relatives who last heard from the Ryders last Monday and who tomorrow will attend their funeral. And the chief does tell me he hopes to have some answers for the family in the days that follow that service. Local for you in Genoa Township, Dan Perlman, NBC4.
All right, Dan, thank you.